Daddy doing?
Way to go, Asher.
Thanks, Isaac. That helps a lot, buddy.
Isaac, you're great.
Food in his hair.
Ew.
Good boy. Yeah. It is thick. It'll go back real quick. And
It's
you
gonna
have
look thicker.
thick hair like Isaac.
Look at him. You're a good boy.
Now it looks like me, because it has the poke out.
That's great.
The poke out.
Yeah.
This part here.
One of the kids that looks like us right now at the red team at my soccer game.
Yeah?
He looks like us.
Now you look like
It's
a
okay,
sunny
But not
baby.
Cool's in
You
the
got a
back.
mullet.
He looks like
It's
me,
okay.
but no Cool.
Hey,
mullet.
Magoo, it's
It's
okay. Thanks, Isaac.
Oh, you already are looking cuter.
I think he is.
He looks crazy right now.
Let's make him look like
great.
The
me,
mullet will
Dad.
go, but look at his face. It's okay.
Dad,
He
let's
looks
make
a lot
him
more
look
like
like
Isaac.
me.
When he was that age, doesn't he? Isaac, he looks a lot more like you now. When you were a baby, that's what you looked like with the short hair.
I like it.
Do you like
Say
it now?
goodbye,
See, I
like,
told
I'm
you.
done, Dad.
I know, I just thought it was gonna be